Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading BIM company in Chandigarh, offering a wide range of building information modeling (BIM) services. With their expertise and experience in the field, they have become a trusted name in the industry. BIM is a revolutionary technology that enables efficient planning, design, construction, and management of buildings. Scon Design India Private Ltd utilizes the power of BIM to provide comprehensive solutions to their clients. As a BIM company, Scon Design India Private Ltd is committed to delivering high-quality services that meet the specific requirements of their clients. They understand the importance of accurate and detailed information in the construction process, and strive to provide the best possible solutions. Their team of skilled professionals uses advanced software and tools to create intelligent 3D models that simulate real-life construction scenarios. These models enable clients to visualize the project before it is built, making it easier to identify and resolve any potential issues. Scon Design India Private Ltd offers a wide range of BIM services to cater to different stages of the construction process. They provide BIM consulting, where they work closely with clients to understand their project goals and develop a customized BIM strategy. They also offer BIM modeling services, where they create detailed 3D models of buildings that include architectural, structural, and MEP, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing elements. These models are then used for clash detection, quantity takeoff, scheduling, and other purposes. One of the key advantages of working with Scon Design India Private Ltd is their ability to collaborate effectively with multiple stakeholders involved in the construction process. BIM enables seamless integration of information from various disciplines, allowing architects, engineers, contractors, and other professionals to work together more efficiently. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a reputable BIM company based in Chandigarh, India. With expertise in building information modeling (BIM) services, the company has established itself as a leader in the industry. BIM is a digital representation of a building's physical and functional characteristics, which allows for better collaboration, coordination, and decision-making throughout the entire life cycle of a project. Scon Design India Private Ltd has been at the forefront of utilizing BIM technology to streamline construction processes and improve project outcomes. As a BIM company, Scon Design India Private Ltd offers a wide range of services tailored to meet the specific needs of its clients. These services include 3D modeling, clash detection, quantity takeoffs, construction documentation, and virtual reality walkthroughs. By leveraging advanced BIM tools and techniques, the company ensures accurate and efficient project delivery. This not only saves time and cost, but also minimizes errors and rework during the construction phase. One of the key strengths of